YouTube, if you want a restaurant quality meal without spending all that money, I've got a creamy garlic shrimp and pasta dish that is a game changer. It only takes 20 minutes to make, so stay tuned and let's get to cooking. All right, fam, we're at the pot and we have added our linguine and we've added about six quarts or maybe about 3 or 4 cups of water to our pot. We've been cooking this linguine now for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want to make sure your linguine is at least al dente. So this is al dente the way I like it. Take a look at that there. That's definitely al dente. And so we've definitely already brought our water up to a boil. I'm going to reduce heat, bring it down to about 3. And that's good there. And so this is what you want, folks. Just take a look at that. That's al dente. What I'll do now is I'll get you over to our cast iron so we can start searing and seasoning our shrimp and putting this whole meal together. Be right back. All right, fam, we are at the skillet, and like I always tell you, make sure that you have a hot skillet and then add your cold oil to a hot skillet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some canola oil. You can use whatever type of oil that you want, but I'm probably gonna put about 2 tablespoons of oil to our skillet. So boom, bam, there it is, 2 squirts. And then you want to make sure it dances. You want to spread it all around, folks. It's exactly what you want. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to add the shrimp. So listen to this sizzle. Bam. We got that sizzle going on, folks, and I'm just going to spread these shrimps out. Because what we want to do is we want to make sure that our shrimp is pink. And all I'm doing, folks, here is I'm just spreading all of my shrimp out, trying to make sure each shrimp touches the hot skillet. Just listen at that sound, folks. And our goal here is we want our shrimp to turn pink. Once our shrimp turns pink, then we're gonna actually remove our shrimp from the pan, and then we'll begin adding our pasta back to this pan. We'll throw a little Parmesan cheese on top of that pasta, add our heavy cream, and then add our shrimp back on top. A game changer. Again, folks, this only takes 20 minutes. This is really easy, really simple. All of you can do it. So I'm gonna let this cook. And when I return, I will show you how we add our pasta and the other ingredients back to the pot. See you in a moment, YouTube. All right, YouTube, I've got this meal plated up. So we're gonna take our Parmesan cheese and we're gonna dump and sprinkle, just look at that. All of that Parmesan cheese all over there. And that's what we want, folks. Amazing. You can add more or less salt and pepper and paprika if you want, but folks, just take a look at that. That is amazing. I've got to get a fork because I've got to take a bite of this, YouTube. So let's see what it does, YouTube. Oh my goodness. Everything is just cooked so well. I wish you guys were able to see the steam just coming all off of this. This is amazing. And then look at our shrimp, YouTube. Our shrimp is just cooked to perfection. That is what you call amazing, amazing. So I'm gonna mix it all in, YouTube. And as I always do, the first bite is definitely for you. Let me get you some shrimp, YouTube. And there you go. All right, YouTube, first bite's for you. Next bite's for me. I'm going in, I'm going in. Amazing. Just creamy, amazing. All of the ingredients are cooked perfectly well. YouTube, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you also hit that notification bell so that way you know when I put out new content, you will be the first one to know about it and the first one to see it. If you could share this video, please go ahead and share this video with friends and family. It really helps. My goal is to get to 100 subscribers, so I definitely need your help. So please, YouTube, look forward to your support. And again, this is Chef Timmy Jay signing out. Peace.